Go home happy with the 2018 Lincoln Navigator. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a bold and beautiful Navigator, the full-size luxury SUV that features modern styling, multiple driving modes, 3-row seating, expansive interior space, meticulous craftsmanship, and the technology you need for safety and connectivity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, 3rd-row seat, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, hands-free liftgate, fog lamps, V6 cylinder engine, satellite radio, remote engine start. You deserve the SUV that meets the highest standards for comfort and capability. Get into the Navigator. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.